So, imagine this: the largest explosion in the universe, 390 million light years away, punched a dent 15 times bigger than our Milky Way. Crazy, right? Thankfully, no supermassive black hole is close enough to harm us directly. But if one did, radiation and gravitational waves might give us a cosmic tickle. Radiation could mess with our atmosphere and electronics, while gravitational waves could make everything stretch and squeeze a bit. Don't worry, though, it's all just a tiny ripple in the vastness of spacetime.